This video shows how a Leica rifle scope with BDC is sighted in. Here we show the Fortis 6 2.5 to 15 by 56i. All Leica rifle scopes are pre-adjusted to the optical and mechanical center for adjustment on delivery. When mounted for the first time, it can be helpful to check the possible point of impact with a glance through the barrel or bore sighting before firing the first shot. Therefore, the bolt is taken out of the rifle and the center of the barrel is pointing to the target. If you look through the scope now, the reticle should also be on target. Big alignment differences could be made right here with the reticle adjustment turrets to make sure the first shot hits the target. At the diopter adjustment, the reticle image is sharpened. The preferred magnification is set, and the target image is sharpened with the parallax adjustment. The reticle illumination is set according to the surrounding light. If all adjustments have been set, the first 3-shot group is going to be fired. The center of the group is 8 cm right and 14 cm low. For the windage adjustment, open the turret cap and dial 8 clicks to the left, so counterclockwise. The rifle scope on delivery has the BDC set to the middle of the BDC adjustment range, 45 clicks. This has the advantage that sight-in adjustments can be made in both directions. The BDC is unlocked and 14 clicks made upwards, so clockwise, are dialed. Lock the BDC again after the settings have been made. Now the next 3-shot group is fired. When satisfied with the result, both turrets are going to be zeroed at the end. Open the cap of the windage turret and loosen the small screw. Move the zero of the scale ring to the index and slightly tighten the screw. Make sure that the BDC is locked. Now loosen the 2 inboard screws and pull the turret with the scale up and put it back down firmly into the zero position. Tighten the 2 inboard screws again. The Fortis 6 is now sighted in at 100 meters and both turrets are zeroed, ready for all hunting challenges. Good luck for your hunt!